Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. I have here my lunch for today. So I prepare a simple food as part of my birthday celebration. This is just a very simple food. I have here the chicken steak. This is chicken legs with broccoli and with bell pepper, yellow and red. Look at this, guys. This is a very juicy and tender chicken legs. And this one is a fried onions. And here is a cheesy potato fries. First I fry this potato, then I season it with a pinch of black pepper, paprika powder, garlic powder, and the last one I added a cheese. That is why this is already cheesy. And look at this. This is sticky already because with added cheese. Look at this. So this is already a cheesy French fries. And I have here the slice cucumber with yellow bell pepper. So this is a very yummy lunch for me for today. So this is the chicken legs. Look at, guys, this is the chicken legs. Look, very yummy, very juicy and so tender. So you can serve this one, if you will cook like this, you can serve this chicken with rice or with bread or with other kinds of vegetables. So I want to have a diet today, so I just prepare this one, a French fries with cheese. That is why it looks like this, because there is already a cheese. So this is already a cheesy French fries. Para masarap siya. And this is already very tasty because I added black pepper, paprika powder, and garlic powder. And so yummy. And with matching chicken steak. Look at this. And with some healthy cucumber and bell pepper. And also here, I have here some broccoli. This is a fresh green broccoli. Since I added this one into the pan, so that is why it looks like this. It's not so very green anymore. It's already soft. So this is ready to be eaten now. It's ready to eat. So bon appetit. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you like this simple lunch. Chicken steak with broccoli and bell pepper with fried onions with cheesy French fries, potato fries, and with cucumber, and again with bell pepper. So yan. So this is ideal if you are on diet, so you can eat only the chicken because we need protein for our body, and with some vegetables. So you can eat just like this if you are, especially if you are diabetic and if you are high blood person. So avoid too much rice and starchy food. But this potato fries is not for every day, so only sometimes. So if you want to maintain your diet, you can just eat vegetables and meat, either chicken or a beef, but it's a little bit portion, and also fish or any kind of seafoods. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment in order to improve my cooking, and please share and subscribe to Leytenia'S Kitchenette if you are new to my channel. Then Click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Happy eating. Greetings from Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Bye-bye.